Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the previous year question papers of zoology entrance test conducted in 2021 by Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. So starting with the first question, currently existing species is known as, the answer is neontological species. The vector for Leishmania donovani is Phlebotomus argentipus. Third question, chromosomal theory of sex determination was put forward by M.C. Klum. Left-handed helix having 12 base pair is the characteristic of Z DNA. Separation of molecules in gel filtration chromatography depends upon the molecular weight and pore size. The causative agent of human plague is Yersinia pestis. Acetylcholine accumulation at the synaptic cleft is caused mainly due to toxicity caused by organophosphates. The term protista was coined by Haeckel. Ninth question, flightless birds are included in ratite. The cells present in Malpighian layer in humans are columnar. Teeth in mammals are thecodont, heterodont and diphyodont. Which of the following is found at the ends of long bones? The answer is ligament. Generic name of desert locust is Locusta migratoria. In human, the smallest bone is stapes. In which part of the body vitamin A is synthesized from carotene and stored in liver? तो जो विटामिन है, ठीक है, इसे कौन सिंथेसाइज करता है? ये कैरोटीन सिंथेसाइज करता है और ये इसकी जो स्टोरेज है that occurs in the liver. Next question, Brunner's gland are found in only duodenum. The bacterium which causes serious illness in person with pre-existing liver disease is Vibrio vulnificus. Coronary artery arises from aorta. Origin of urinary bladder is mesodermal. Which of the following is not a part of nephrons? The answer is collecting vessel. Generally, the reflex actions are controlled by spinal cord. Next question, in vertebrates, the center for hunger, thirst, temperature regulation are located in the hypothalamus. In snakes, the fangs are linked with maxilla. The concept of adaptive radiation was proposed by Charles Darwin. The tusks of an elephant are elongated incisors teeth. Egg membranes, which are developed from any maternal tissue other than ovary, are called tertiary egg membranes. Fertilizing and anti-fertilizing act as antigen and antibody. Which of the following cells move inward by involution? The answer is coda mesodermal cells. In an embryo, excretion is performed by allantois, which is a part of placenta. On the basis of histology, which type of placenta is found in man? The answer is hemochorion. The surrogate mother of the cloned sheep Dolly was Scottish black-faced fish. Next question, physically joined twins are known as Siamese twins. Next question, genetically determined cell death is called apoptosis. 34th question, which one of the following enzyme is known as immortalizing enzyme? The answer is telomerase. Following is the sequence of phases in cell cycle: G1, then S phase, G2 phase, M phase. Correct sequence of stages in first prophase of meiosis is lactotine, zygotine, pectine, diplotine, dikinesis. Out of the total water available on the earth, the amount of fresh water is 2% and exactly 2.5%. Which one of the following is known as Thameen deer? The answer is brown antlered deer. The part of brain affected in Parkinson's disease is basal ganglia. Mast cells secrete histamine. Typical phosphate storage of protostomia is arginine phosphate. The Environment Protection Act was enacted in the year 1972. Enzyme of hexose monophosphate shunt are present in the cytoplasm. Which of the following present in urine is actually absent in glomerular filtrate? What is secreted in tubular part later on? The answer is hydrogen ions. The prime cause of erythroblastosis fetalis is agglutination. In which era most dinosaurs become extinct in Cretaceous era? The pheromone that brings about immediate effect in the recipient is called releaser effect. In normal conversation of human beings, the level of sound is 60 decibels. Sex-linked predators generally are recessive. In sponges, incurrent canal communicates with the radial canal through prosopines. Next question, Osteitis fibrosa cystica is a disease associated with hyperparathyroidism. Which of the following is most appropriately used to dissolve blood clot? Answer is streptokinase. Amoebic dysentery is caused by cystic stage of entamoeba histolytica. In helminths, excretion is performed by protonephridia. Which one of the following is not a larva of arthropoda? Answer is velizer, which is a larva of a mollusk. Maximum energy is liberated on aerobic oxidation of lipids. Blood leaving liver and moving to heart poses usually high concentration of urea. The largest antibody in the human is IgM. Starfishes belonging to phylum Echinodermata are enterocoelomate in nature. Emulsification of fats by wild juice occurs in duodenum. The author of Systema Nature is Linnaeus. The spindle fibers of mitotic cell consist of tubulin protein. In insect, adipokinetic hormone is secreted by corpora cardiaca. Basic components of chromatin are DNA wrapped around histone proteins. An organism which can monitor air pollution is lichens. Which one of the following is a true fish? The answer is catfish. The role of Aristotle lantern in echinoids is chewing of food. Later line system of fishes is used for detecting movements and pressure changes in the surroundings. Secondary host of Dracunculus medinensis is answer is Cyclops. The first larval form of Fasciola hepatica is Miracidium. The theory ontogeny repeats phylogeny was given by Ernest Haeckel. During apiculture, the bees suffer from nosema disease, which is caused by a protozoa. DNA polymerase enzyme was discovered by Arthur Conver. Rhodopsin is concerned with light sensation. Which one is the amongst biodiversity hotspot in India? Western Ghats. Emphysema in man may be caused by chain smoking of cigarettes. The first marine biosphere reserve established in India is located in the state of Tamil Nadu. The principle of limiting factor in an ecosystem was proposed by Liebig and Shelford. The organisms that can tolerate only small range of temperature difference are known as xenothermal. Project Tiger was launched in the year 1972. During nitrogen cycle, the bacteria that converts nitrate into molecular nitrogen is Pseudomonas denitrificans. The total organic matter present in ecosystem is known as biomass. So-called ozone umbrella is present in which layer of the atmosphere? Stratosphere. Moon phase or buffalo hump is caused by hypersecretion of adrenal glands. Deuterostomes are animals in which blastopore is developed into anus. The hormone which controls the sleep-wake cycle and other rhythmical changes in human body is melatonin. The hormone regulating calcium and phosphorus metabolism is produced by parathyroid glands. Which of the following organism does not undergo metamorphosis? The answer is silverfish. Beside mammals, which of the following animal excrete out urea? Marine amphibians. Chemically, testosterone is a steroid. Pellagra is caused due to prolonged deficiency of niacin vitamin. In five kingdom classification, the nitrogen fixing bacteria and methanogenic archaebacteria are included in the kingdom Monera. Which one of the following hormones, though synthesized elsewhere, is stored and released by the master gland? Antidiuretic hormone. Choose the correct order of organization of genetic material from largest to smallest. Genome, chromosome, gene, nucleotide. Cleaving of DNA into fragments at specific location is possible with the discovery of restriction enzymes. In human females, meiosis II is not completed until fertilization. Pheromone zepure is secreted by Porphyria dispar. Leydig cells are meant for producing testosterone. In a resting muscle, attachment of cross bridges to actin is blocked by tropomyosin. Which gland prepares you for fight and flight during adverse condition? The answer is adrenal gland. I hope the answers are clear to you. And guys, जैसे कि आपने देखा, some questions are repeating year wise. So do prepare well all the previous year question papers. Thank you.